Oh, why you going? Okay. Oh, grabe guys. It's too far. Oh, Daddy, be careful. Here. You said stay here. Whoa, good job. Galing na niya magbike ah. Good job. Daig pa niya ako magbike, guys. Good job. Alaska. Nice, good job. That was a good job, Jelana. Alaska seas. Oh, did you see? Fine. Strawberry. You wanna go get some there? And yeah, over there on the other side. Oh, oh, you're exercising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Thank you, Joanne.
You will make it hard?
Make you strong, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang daming ano ni Marimar, ay ni Marimar, ni Maricar. Maricar, ang dami mong ano alagad. Wow! Okay, that makes you strong. Maricar, ang dami mong alagad Get up now. Your sister coming. Whoa! Whoa! Why it's there? Go on the other side. No, it's not. Ilocos sis. Yeah. Huh? Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, why you didn't call us? Well, you guys should have come up here. Uh-huh. That she said she's seen a jet. Yeah. Yes. Yep.
Yay!
You have to go on the other one. There's so much in there. You cannot jump. Yay. Ang galing ah. Who teach you that, anak? Whoa. Good job. Oh, oh, oh! What'd you do? Why you do that? Now you hurt. Come on, I'll give you a hug. Did you hurt yourself? Oh no, let me see. Oh, poor baby. You okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Really high. Good morning. Good morning. Really, really high. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. That's a good exercise. Oh, thank you. Are you done now? Oh, yeah. Is that how they do it?